Hi guys, Kaz from Cardinal Property Investment here. So we've been getting a lot of inquiries recently regarding the best opportunities for properties under £200,000 or with about £60,000 of capital to invest. So what I wanted to do today is run through the financial breakdown for the best opportunity within this criteria. So the development that we wanted to highlight is in Cardinal, which is in Greater Manchester. So a little bit of background about the development itself. Cardinal is just 5 minutes away from both Manchester Airport and Stockport, which is a major hub into Manchester. And to Manchester city centre itself, it's just 30 minutes by either public transport or by car. The construction began last year in August and is completing by Q2 next year. So it's only 1 year away from completion. So this is a premium development offering luxury amenities, including communal gardens, a residents-only gym, and enhanced security measures for the residents. Now, let's get to the numbers. So as you can see by this financial breakdown, the price for early investors is £190,000 for a one-bedroom here. The reservation fee, which is part of your deposit, is £5,000. And then the total exchange deposit that you'll need is 25%, which is £42,500 when you include the £5,000 reservation. So following that, there are some additional purchasing costs. So we have allowed £2,000 for legal fees and an additional £750 for mortgage fees, which you won't need until completion. The main cost here is stamp duty. So for a £190,000 property, if you are a British citizen or resident, the stamp duty for a buy-to-let is £10,800. This means that the total cash that you have to employ, inclusive of all costs, is £61,050 for this property. Now, looking at the cash flow numbers. So the developer is offering a 7% assurance, which amounts to £13,300 per annum. This is using a standard AST model, so a longer term tenant. However, you are permitted to use a short term model or serviced accommodation with this development. We've kept the numbers simple, but if you wanted to request a financial breakdown using the short term model, we're more than happy to send that across. Moving on to the costs, we have three main costs when it comes to the cash flow. We've got the service charge, which is £1,120 for this property. That's based on a £2.80 per square foot. We've then got the management fee, where we have a management company in place that are offering an 8% fee. This amounts to £1,064. And then we have the mortgage costs. So the mortgage we are estimating at 5%. We've literally today had a reduction in the interest rates down to 4% by the Bank of England. But 5% we see as a conservative estimate for the mortgage costs for buy-to-let investors. This amounts to £7,125. So your annual net rental returns, so your gross rent minus your costs, equates to just under £4,000 or £3,991 per annum. So that is a pretty simple overview of what we believe is the best way to invest in under £60,000 capital or the property price of around £200,000. If you wanted a more in-depth understanding of the investment or to find out more in general, please feel free to contact us.